I was traveling west on a road in Frostproof, and the other driver was coming east, and he turned right in front of me into a street. In the process, I managed to break my foot and the brake pedal in the car. I actually am very pleased with my experience here. Between Jasmine and Mr. Perlini, both of them explained in detail what I could expect from the experience. They kept me up to date on it, told me not to fret, it's a long process, and I've really been pleased with Brooks. I did change the way I do things. I didn't have collision on my car, and I had like very minimum coverage, so when I replaced it, I upgraded all my insurance, so it is very, very well covered. Next time, I won't have to get a car that's 10 years older than the one that was wrecked. Absolutely. Yes, in fact, I have told people, even though I wasn't talking about the case, they knew that I had contacted an attorney, and I said, oh, these guys are great. Call Brooks Law, y'all.